Did you know you can make videos in both portrait and landscape using Google Veo 3? Check these videos out.
My people, if you haven't activated your own Google Pro 1-year account, you are missing out. I have activated mine. Watch how to get yours with the link in the description of this video. No miso.
I just created them. Let me show you exactly how I did it in just a few simple steps.
Head over to your preferred browser and search for Flow Labs Veo 3. Once you search for it, it is going to bring you to an interface like this, and select this particular one. This one that shows Google Labs and Flow in big letter. Tap on that one. So once you tap on it, it is going to redirect you to an interface exactly like this. If you see an interface like this, then you are sure you are in the right website. So the next thing is to tap on Create with Flow, because that is what we are trying to do, to create video through Flow. So once you tap on it, it's going to require you to sign in with your Google account. Sign in with the Google account you activated on Google Pro. So I will use my own Google account right now, which is this one. Once I tap on it, I'm automatically signed in. So once you come to an interface like this, know that you have successfully signed into your account. So just read their updates to understand what the updates they've given, what you can do better and all that. Just take a brief read at it and tap on Get Started. Then you can see my image icon at the left hand side of my screen. If I tap on it, you're going to see the number of credits I have per month, which is 1000 AI credits. Each video costs 20 credits, so I can create about 50 videos in a month. So I'll just cancel that and start a new project. Your own account will be empty. You will not have this project there. I have used my own during the time when they were giving 100 credits if you sign up. So that was when I created this video. So what you should do now is tap on New Project. When you tap on New Project and you want to create a video, it is going to load you to an interface like this. You can see it said type in the prompt box to start. So there are things you should be familiar with. Look at this place, you say text to video. You can take it away and choose image, frames to video, ingredient to video. We'll talk about that in another video. So let's just leave it at text to video. And here you can see Veo 3 fast. You can tap on it to change the model. And when you tap on it and you want to change the model, there are some other things you can change. So you can see the aspect ratio here. You can choose to go for portrait, which is long video, real size, or go for landscape, which is YouTube size video. So select the one you want. I'll be leaving this at landscape. Up next, tap on output per prompt. This one right here, output per prompt. That is how many video do you want it to generate. If you are not someone good with prompts, then you can have issue with this. You can just pick how many videos you want. So me, I just love to put it at 1 because I don't see a reason why I will be confusing myself trying to pick from too many videos. So I will leave it at 1 output per prompt. So once I pick 1 output per prompt, I'll just tap on this model. You can see model again to change the model. So we can change from Veo 3 fast to Veo 3 quality, better audio. Veo 2 fast is ending soon, and Veo 2 quality, I think they are going to take it away soon. So I'll leave it at Veo 3 fast. So once I do that, you can see I have made a general settings. Then I will now paste my prompts that I want to use to edit the video. So I will tap on this box here, or that I want to use to create the video. I will now tap on this box. I'll paste my prompt. So I already wrote a prompt. Now after I wrote it, I just send it, and you can see this button here is what you can use to send it, this one here. And we'll wait for a few seconds for our video to generate. Now, while your video is generating, you can start creating another video. You can start creating up to 5 while your videos are generating. So our first video is ready. I'm going to play it so that you will see. Look at the play button right here. or I can just choose to download this straight and play it in my gallery. So I'll play it.
You haven't activated your own Google Pro 1 year account, you are missing out.
So if I like it, I'll just tap on the video, and once I tap on the video and it brings out this things here, I will tap on this download icon. So once I tap on it, it will save to my gallery. I will tap on it and save it to my gallery.
If you're enjoying this so far, please like the video and drop a comment. It really motivates me to make more tutorials. Now let's get back to your video.
We are done with this particular one. Now let's create a video in another aspect ratio. And mind you, if you want to use this same face, you don't want this face to change, you want to use it for your next video, just tap on this icon here. You can see 3 lines, but there's an arrow in between that goes as if redo, an arrow that shows redo. So you tap on that. If you tap on that, I can just re-edit what I want her to say. I can keep every settings I put and just edit the script down here. I'll just edit the script. She should say this. It will generate her again, but making her say something else, and it will keep her cloth, her face, and everything. Now let's see a video in another aspect ratio. I'm going to tap on the settings here, and then I'll select portrait. After I select portrait, and see the icon right here has changed into portrait size, so I'm going to tap on it and paste my other prompt again. Then I will send it, and then I'll just wait for it to generate. And our video is ready. So I will just tap on the video again, tap on this icon and download it.
How to get yours with the link in the description of this video. No miso.
So this is how you can create videos in different aspect ratio using Google Veo 3 via the Flow website. Please note, you have 1,000 credits per month. You can decide to use all the credits in one day.
Thank you for watching till the end. For easier and faster updates, join my WhatsApp or Telegram community. The link is in the description. I will see you in the next video.